Okay. Konting promote, no? Looking for Sean and Anthony distributors nationwide habang wala pa tayo sa soft launching natin, no? So looking for more distributors nationwide. So kung sari-sari store owner kayo dyan, resto owners, may negosyo na kayo yung may-ari, no? Walang ibang boss kundi kayo. Mga housewives, housebands, or kahit na sino na gusto ng extra income while becoming healthier, no? Be one of our distributors dyan sa inyong city or municipality. Okay? So baka gusto nyo. These are the benefits, no, of being a Sean and Anthony distributor. Number one, huge discounts on steaks and other products. So kung mahilig kayo sa steaks, no, malaking discount, no, ang makukuha nyo. So at least mura. And the other products, no, such as yung mga damit, mga mugs, at kung ano-ano pa in the future na under the brand of Sean and Anthony. Number two benefit, earn extra income. So while enjoying discounts sa steaks, no, magkakaroon ka ng extra income kung gusto nyong gawin siya negosyo. Definitely, kung distributor ka, gusto mong gawin siya negosyo, di ba? So magbebenta ka ng steaks sa iba and other products na Sean and Anthony sa iba. Huge market potential in your city and municipality because maximum of 3. Normally, maximum of 3 lang ang distributors na gagawin namin sa bawat city at municipality. Unless super laki niyang city o municipality nyo, no? But generally speaking, 3 lang na distributors. And then number 4 na benefit is free promotion on the largest LCIF Facebook group. So normally, ang mga nagpo-promote doon, nagbabayad ng 2,000 pesos a month para makapag-promote ng produkto nila. Pero being a distributor, free na yon sa inyo, no? At para, syempre, may 2.2 million members ang meron dyan sa LCI Facebook group, no? Kalat yan nationwide. So, alangan naman bumili sila sa akin lang. Kung taga Sorsogon, for example, o kung saan mang lugar yan, syempre, doon na sila sa distributor na malapit sa kanila. Number 5, benefit. Refer a distributor incentive. So, if you can refer other distributors sa ibang areas, no, then you will receive an extra incentive from us. Number 6, free only online LCIF lessons, no, from me. Dahil of course, since health business to, steak business to, I would like na healthy tayong lahat, kayo included, since somehow you represent the brand. Kung medyo namamaga tayo dyan, medyo sakitin tayo dyan, medyo hindi maganda yon, no? Bilang ambassador, so to speak, ng Sean and Anthony. Number 7, no, na benefit is that may only online personal finance lessons din para mas maayos nyong ma-manage, no, yung mga kikitain nyo sa Sean and Anthony. Bilang financial planner din ako. So free only online business lessons from me, not from outsourced na mga experts, no, but from me. So yung marketing, branding, positioning, blah blah blah, no, I'll be teaching you guys para makatulong din sa inyong Sean and Anthony distribution business. Number 9, we would have special awards and incentives for Sean and Anthony distributors. Kumbaga, parang annual convention natin. So magkakaroon tayo ng special awards, probably top distributor for the year, yung mga ganyan ba. Number 10, exclusive distributors, no? Kayong mga distributors would have the right of first refusal. Meaning, kung may mga bagong opportunities ang Sean and Anthony, no? Or ako, in personally speaking, kung meron ako mga investment opportunities na bago, kayo yung unang aalokin. Kayo yung unang tatanggi. So kapag tumanggi na kayo, that's the only time na i-aalok namin sa iba. So, right of first refusal. And then, of course, more benefits to come. So if you're interested to become one of the distributors of Sean and Anthony, I'd like to invite you guys to send us a private message, no? During business hours, Mondays to Fridays, 9 to 5 p.m. So, seanandanthony.com. Pupunta yan at the moment, as of this video, pupunta yan sa fan page namin sa Facebook. Okay?